Alright, so we have created the clearance hole in the lower cover. The next job is to create a tapped hole in the upper cover. Let us come back to the chart which we are referring. I will be adding this chart in the resources, or I'll be adding this link in the resources. You can just go to the chart and you can analyze depending on your requirements. Now, as we have considered the number screw size of the screw, and we have already covered the clearance part or the clearance hole creation, let us look at the tap holes. Now you can see that there are different types of categories over here: thread for aluminum, brass and plastics, and this is for metals, okay, other metals. As we are dealing with plastic, I'll be coming into this column, and under this column we have 33 and 36 in the drill size. So 33 and 36 are nothing but the number of threads per inch. For example, if you're going with 32, you'll be having 32 threads per inches of the screw, and if you're going with 36, you'll be having more refined threads. I'll be going with any of these. That is not a big concern at this moment. For example, if I want to go with 33 size, then my screw will be labeled as 633. 6 stands for the number screw size and 33 stands for the threads per inch. And for this category, I have the diameter of the tapped hole to be 0.1130. I'll come back to the upper cover and we will be creating a hole over here whose diameter will be 0.1130. For that, I require a reference points which refer to the center of the circle. .1130. Alright, press OK right now and change the direction. We have to remove the hole or remove the material, and that removal must be up to the surface. Okay, we don't want a hole coming up in the positions where the switches are placed. The hole should end at the surface. Alright, so now we have a tapped hole present over here and we have a clearance hole. Let us come back to the assembly and take a cut section exactly at the positions where holes are visible. Alright, so this is a clearance hole and this is a tapped hole. So we have done this thing right now. Now in the next video, we will be adding these screws in the assembly and analyze do we require any modifications or will that suit our job. Okay, let us move to the next video and work on adding the screws to the assembly.